Most tap water is swarmed with microbes, bacteria, and viruses, which make it less safe to drink. To ensure bacteria-free water, it needs to be purified. Introducing UVBrite, the self-cleaning water bottle that uses UVC light to kill bacteria and viruses anytime, anywhere. Simply fill your UVBrite with water, press the button, and UVBrite will eradicate harmful viruses, bacteria, and microbes. The UVC light also keeps your water bottle clean and free from the nasty odor that normal bottles develop over time. UVBrite can purify over 29,000 gallons of water, which is more than you'll drink for the rest of your life. Thanks to the double-walled stainless steel construction, liquids are kept hot or cold for up to 12 hours. Over 140,000 people are already using UVBrite to enjoy pure water.
Never need to use another bottle to drink water again.
This is the real deal. You gotta check out UVBrite.
This UV technology has been tested and proven. They use it in hospitals, dental offices. They even use it on the International Space Station. I love having the peace of mind that I can take this little guy anywhere and have 100% pure drinking water.
UVBrite keeps your water bottle and the water in it free from germs. Get UVBrite today and start enjoying pure, safe water.